L. Al? Mark?
So, sobrang happy. Hindi ko na ma-explain yung feeling ko ngayon. Sobrang excited na ako na makita ka. Siguro pag lumakad ako mamaya, parang titigil yung mundo ko. Tapos, siya lang yung nakikita ko.
Dear B, the day has finally arrived. After lahat ng preparations, canvassing, and mostly stress, here we are, ikakasal na tayo.
Thank you for standing with me here today, holding your hand as we create the ultimate team for life. I will be by your side and always love you, who you are, as well as the person you will grow to be.
Isa kang bayaring lalaki. Galingan mo, ha? I mean, galingan natin sa kasal mamaya. Aha. I love you so much. See you. Magiging mabuti akong asawa. Magiging mapagmahal akong husband and father soon kapag nagkaroon na tayo ng family. And hindi kita pababayaan. Hindi kita iiwanan. Andito lagi ako para sa'yo.
It is because if we look at life, if we look at the meaning of life, its fruitfulness, they all redound to that so-called self-giving. Otherwise, life will be meaningless if there is no such a thing as self-giving, which implies, sacrifice. You are now entering into a different life, stage of life. And this time, yan makikita kung gaano ka nga katsyaga, kung gaano ka nga mapagmahal kayong dalawa sa isa't isa.
Ready na ako sa next chapter ng buhay natin on what tomorrow holds. As long as magkasama tayo, walang makakatibag sa atin. Ikaw lang lagi ang pipiliin ko araw-araw, and I promise to give laughter to your life.
I promise to cherish you and always hold you in the highest regard. And I can wait to start this new and exciting adventure with the person I love the most in the world.